Hello everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Crown Lounge. On this episode, we're going to be making a cocktail called the White Lady. Yes, the name was interesting, and I figure it's like an interesting drink. I've never had it, so this is the first time. Okay, so history. The drink was originally made in 1919 with creme de menthe, triple sec, and lemon. In 1929, the same inventor decided to change the recipe up to what we have today, which is gin, triple sec, lemon, and egg white. So let's start. First, we're going to take 2 ounces of gin. Next, we're going to take a ½ ounce of an orange liqueur of your liking, triple sec, whatever you want to call them. ½ ounce. Next, we're going to take ½ an ounce of lemon. And last, we're going to take 1 egg white. Next, we're going to dry shake it without ice first to help build the foam. Give it a really good shake. Then we're going to add ice. And shake it again. Grab a Martini glass, because we're going to pour it in there. Next, we're going to double strain it. It's going to help build up the frothiness of it. Let's give it a little help. And there we have it. Let's try it for the first time. The White Lady. It's actually surprisingly good. That gin is really pronounced in it. but it's not bad pronounced. Like you know you're drinking gin. It's that juniper. The lemon tames it a little bit. But the White Lady's a hit. It's no Karen. All right. Once again, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.